Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Mohsin Nazir Malik with Al Kalam Science Wala, and in today's video we are going to talk about the origin of life. People have always been pondering about their existence. Either they're from past or they're from present, they're from primitive or they're from the very sophisticated cultures. All have been pondering, all have been trying to know what life is and how life have been originated. As I have mentioned the two questions, what life is and how life have originated on earth, I have already made a video what actually life is. You can go for it. In today's video we are going to talk how life have originated on this earth. Remember that it was much difficult to define life. It was much difficult to describe how life have originated. But in the modern era, it is possible to experimentally verify how life have originated. It is possible to describe the origin of life. The very first scientist to do that was the originator of theory of evolution. I think you know whom I'm talking about. I'm talking about Charles Darwin, who in one of his letter to his colleague, in one of his letter to his friend, he talked about the life's origin. What was that letter? What was his wording to his friends? Let's see. It is often said that all the conditions for the first production of living organisms are now present, which could ever have been present but if, and oh, what a big if, we could conceive in some warm little pond with all sorts of ammonia and phosphoric salts, light, heat, electricity present, that a protein compound was chemically formed, ready to undergo. That a protein compound was chemically formed, ready to undergo still more complex changes at the present day. Such matter would be instantly devoured or absorbed, which would not have been the case before living creatures were formed. So that was the letter which he wrote to his one of colleague in 1871. Now let us explain these words which was written by Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin said that life can have originated if all the conditions were present, which according to his words, in modern era, in today's world, all those conditions exist on our earth.